Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Filecoin. Filecoin is down 17% over the last 1 month, is down 69% over the last 1 year. We'll look at Filecoin's performance against the US dollar, Filecoin's performance against Ethereum and Bitcoin, also Filecoin's market cap. Will Falcon continue dumping to Goblin Town? Are you ready for that bear market relief rally? How high can we possibly go to the upside if we start pumping? There's extreme levels of bearishness right now in the cryptocurrency market. Extreme fear is gripping the whole market. Should we expect lower prices for Falcon? Is this the best time to add some Falcon to your altcoin portfolio? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Filecoin is one of the OG coins we have in the cryptocurrency market, currently trading around $0.81. Filecoin's fully diluted market cap sits around $1.59 billion with a market cap of $623 million. Filecoin is currently trading around the $0.81 level. But at some point in time in the past, all-time high for Filecoin hit around $237. Right now, Filecoin is down 99.66% from its all-time highs. Is it going to go to zero? I don't think so. At some point in time, we're going to find the bottom, but it's been a wild trip from all-time highs down to Goblin Town. It's been a wild trip for Filecoin, trading above $200, right now trading below $1. That's how volatile the altcoin market can be. And that's why we're in the altcoin market to get those big gains to the upside. But then the inverse of that is that these altcoins could easily dump aggressively to Goblin Town, just like we have seen Filecoin done. Now, before Filecoin went this dump to Goblin Town, so it was also just not just a one-way trip. If you look at what Filecoin did, Filecoin went from as low as $2.3, rallying above $200, which meant it went up by more than 10,000%. That's how crazy the altcoin market is. You can see a coin go up 10,000% when the market is bullish. When the market gets bearish, it can lose all those gains and even continue dumping further. Before Falcon went up 10,000%, it went down by 92%. So you can see volatility in the altcoin market is a future, it's not a bug. Now, with extreme levels of bearishness in the cryptocurrency market, most market participants are expecting lower prices. Most market participants are expecting us to continue dumping to Goblin Town. I don't think that. I believe we're around the bottom. We might not be at the exact bottom right now, but the way sentiment is very extreme, I'll not be shocked if in the future we look back and realize, oh, buying Falcon at the $0.18 level was going to be a good idea. So worst case scenario, guys, we see a relief rally. Best case scenario, we see a bull market where Falcon pump to higher prices. If we're seeing a relief rally, the most important level to watch out for Falcon is going to be around the $2.5 level. We saw Falcon having major reactions at that level in the past. In 2018, that turned out to be the bottom. In 2020, before we pumped to higher prices, we found a bounce there. And even when we said dumping to Goblin Town in 2022 December, we found a temporary bottom there. And as late as March 2025, we saw Filecoin ranging around that $2.5 level before we finally gave up the ghost and dump aggressively to Goblin Town. From where we're currently trading right now, the major resistance level for Filecoin at that $2.57 level. We see Filecoin pumping by more than 224% for us to get there. A 224% pump is going to get the market at least moving, at least it's going to get the market paying attention, at least to get a lot of market participants looking in the direction of Filecoin. The last few years, we've seen Filecoin pump, but nothing crazy. We've seen a 226% pump for Filecoin in 2024. We saw a 100+% pump for Filecoin in 2023. And as late as November of 2024, the last rally before Filecoin's capitulation happened, we saw Filecoin go up by more than 177%. But nothing is impossible in the altcoin market. Falcon could easily blast above that $2.5 level. But if we blast above that $2.5 level, there's no need to get overexcited. There's a lot of resistance along the way to new all-time highs. For Falcon, the next major resistance will come in around the 8 to the 8.9, around the $8 to the $8.9 level. From where we're currently trading right now for Filecoin to get there, we see it rallying up by more than 1,000%. A lot of altcoins are down bad. They're very down bad. That even though Filecoins pump more than 1,000%, guys, it will still be down more than 90% from its previous all-time highs. Filecoin will be down exactly 96% from its previous all-time highs, even though if it goes up 1,000% from where we're currently trading. The risk to reward in my mind is there from where we're currently trading right now for Filecoin to head towards zero. Is there that possibility? There's a no-zero chance. There's a non-zero chance that Filecoin could head to zero, but I don't think so. I believe the whales are accumulating quietly right now. I believe we're in a bear market accumulation period where Filecoin, when it's done, will put up a big godly candle that will attract a lot of market participants to buy Filecoin at higher prices. Remember the game you are playing here, guys? You are playing a game of buying low and selling high. You are playing a game of buying when there's pessimism in the market so that you can sell when optimism returns back to the cryptocurrency market. With extreme levels of pessimism right now in the cryptocurrency market, historically, it has been level to buy. When you see extreme fear, you buy. When you see extreme greed, you sell. That mantra has saved a lot of market participants. Look at Filecoin's performance against Bitcoin. It's truly nothing to write home about. It's been a trip down to Goblin Town for Filecoin. We have seen Filecoin lose more than 99% of its value against Bitcoin. I will not be shocked, guys, if in that rally we see Filecoin just pumping aggressively to the upside against Bitcoin. Historically, all coins have done that. They dumped Goblin Town for a very, very long time. The general consensus would be like, this altcoin is dead, there's no way, and then out of nowhere, you can easily see Filecoin pull up that 1,000% move to the upside. Maybe 2,000% move to the upside. Only time will tell. I'm expecting the altcoin market to go crazy over the next few weeks and the next few months. The altcoin market should have a nice sweet rally to the upside. I just showed you guys earlier how a 1,000% pump to the upside for Filecoin will not still see it anywhere near all-time highs. A 1,000% pump for Filecoin will still leave it 95% from its previous all-time highs. If you look at Filecoin's market cap, there's a huge story to tell here. Filecoin's market cap has gotten to as high as $15 billion. That was way back in 2021 when Filecoin got to $200. The market cap got to $15 billion. But since then, there have been a steady decline in market capitalization for Filecoin, losing around 95% of its value. I know you might be wondering why is Filecoin's market cap just down around 95% when we have seen Filecoin's performance against the US dollar from its 2021 high go down by 99.66%. The answers lies in Filecoin's token coming to circulation. In 2021, a lot of Filecoin tokens that are circulating right now are not in circulation. Total circulation for Filecoin is around total supply for Filecoin is around 1.95 billion tokens. It doesn't have a maximum supply. Right now, in total circulation, we really have 764 million of those tokens that we still have more tokens that are coming to circulation. And that's why there's a discrepancy between Filecoin's market cap and Filecoin's US dollar price chart. I'm sure the foundation and a lot of insiders are dumping at this low valuation. Now, if Filecoin is going to pump to higher prices, key levels to watch out for on the market cap chart. One of the important levels I'm watching out for is going to be around the $1 billion level, just around the 100% pump from where we're currently trading right now. We're seeing Filecoins have major reactions to that level in the past. The market cap is very, very important, guys. If you pay attention only to a US dollar price chart, you might get the wrong analysis because the market cap is where the real analysis lies. Now, if we get to that $2.5 billion level, there's another resistance level for Filecoin. From our currently trading, Filecoin could rally towards $2.5 billion. That will see it pumping by around 320% to the upside. And that major resistance before we head towards all-time highs is going to come in around the 4.7 to the $5 billion region, which we see Filecoin from our currently trading pumping up by more than 645%. And I can envisage a situation where we'll see Filecoin even going to all-time highs of the market cap chart, rallying past $10 billion, getting to the $11 to $12 billion level. And from where we're currently trading right now for Filecoin to put such moves, that will be 2,000% pump to the upside. But remember, guys, I showed you earlier in the US dollar price chart, if Filecoin even pulls up a 2,000% pump to the upside, Filecoin will still be down around 90% from its previous all-time highs. And in that kind of situation, I expect to see a lot of market participants getting confused. They'll be expecting to continue pumping to higher prices, not knowing the rally is coming to an end. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. How bullish are you on Filecoin right now? Are you still accumulating more Filecoin, expecting that bear market will really rally, or are you dumping your Filecoin, expecting lower prices in the coming days and coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. If you want to become a member, if you want to become a legend, link in the description. See you guys in my next video. Bye.